Bonjour! Today we're going to look at the little word ça in French, and we're going to talk about lots of different expressions that are used very, very commonly with that little word. Hope you find it useful. The first one is one that you will know and use, I'm sure, regularly. Ça va? Ça va? How's it going? How are you? Literally, it goes. It is going. Ça va? Is it going? Ça va. It's going. And we use it to talk about how we are, how things are. Salut, ça va? Oui, ça va. Et toi? The next one is this. Ça marche. Ça marche. Ça marche. You hear this a lot when you are speaking to French people, when you're making arrangements and things. That sounds good. That works. Marcher is the verb to work. It can mean to walk, but it can also mean to work. So, ça marche. It works. That works. It sounds good. That's fine. Ça marche. So my example is, on se retrouve à 18h. Should we meet up at 6? Ça marche. That works. Ça marche. You could use it when somebody says, I'll phone you back later or whatever. Oui, ça marche. The next one is a question when you're wanting to know, what's that? What's that? C'est quoi ça? C'est quoi ça? It's quite an informal question, not rude. But c'est quoi ça means, what's that? C'est quoi ça? C'est quoi ça? It is what? That. Ça me plaît. Ça me plaît means I like it. And literally it's that pleases me. We can see the plaît there from s'il vous plaît. So ça me plaît, I like it. It's quite a natural way of saying I like it. So tu aimes ce tableau? Ah oui, ça me plaît beaucoup. Do you like this painting? Oh yeah, I like it a lot. Ça me plaît. Ça me plaît. Ça dépend. Ça dépend. It depends. It depends. Ça dépend. Tu vas venir ce soir? You're going to be coming tonight? Ça dépend. Ça dépend. Now in English we would say it depends on something. In French they say ça dépend de. So we use the preposition de afterwards. So ça dépend du temps. It depends on the weather. I've made de and le together to make du. Ça dépend du temps. Depends on the weather. Ça suffit. Ça suffit. That's enough. Les enfants, ça suffit maintenant. That's enough now. Ça suffit. Ça suffit. It's a bit like it. That's sufficient, isn't it? It suffices. Something you will often hear if you're in a bakery or butchers, for example. They might ask after your order, they might ask you, et avec ça? Et avec ça? Anything else with that? Literally, and with that. So you can see ça can mean it and it can mean that. Just depends on the context of the rest of the words. So avec ça and with that. So here's my example. Une baguette, s'il vous plaît. Et avec ça. And then our answer could be ce sera tout, merci. Ce sera tout, merci. Ce sera, that will be. Like que sera, sera. Will be. So ce sera tout, merci. That will be all, thanks. Or you can carry on and order more stuff. Ça me va. Ça me va. Literally, if we translated it, it means it goes for me. It goes for me. It works for me. It suits me. Ça me va. Ça me va. That suits me. So, on mange à midi? Ouais, ça me va. Yeah. Should we eat at midday? Yeah. That suits me. That works for me. It can also mean it suits you or suits me or whatever. If you're talking about clothes or maybe a haircut or whatever it might be that you think you want to say somebody looks good in it. So my example here would be, vous aimez cette robe? Do you like this dress? She's asking to girls if she's trying on a wedding dress. And they're saying, oui, ça te va. So the difference is, ça me va, it suits me. Ça te va, it suits you if you're talking to a friend. Ça vous va if you're talking to somebody that you don't know or more than one person. So we change the little bit in the middle depending on who it suits. Ça me va, ça te va, ça vous va. Okay, let's do a little practice here then. So here's the dialogue and you are going to decide which expression fits as something that would go with this. So the question is, tu veux venir chez moi à 19h? Do you want to come round to my house at 7 p.m? Which one works? The answer is ça marche. Ça marche. Oui, ça marche. Yeah, That works. That suits me. Ça marche. Tu veux aller au marché demain matin? Do you want to go to the market tomorrow morning? Ça marche. Again, here we're making plans. That's fine. That suits. That's fine for me. Ça marche. Oui, ça marche. About this one. Maman, je veux encore un bonbon. Mommy, I want another sweet. Which expression fits there? Ça suffit. Ça suffit. That's enough. Come on, you had enough sweets. Next one. J'adore cette robe. Which expression goes with that? I love this dress. We can say, ça me va. It suits me. Ça me va très bien. It suits me really well, this dress. Next one. Une baguette et un croissant, s'il vous plaît. What are you likely to hear back after you've asked for that? Et avec ça? Et avec ça? And our answer if we don't want anything else? Ce sera tout, merci. Ce sera tout, merci. Tu viens à la fête ce soir? You coming to the party tonight? Ça dépend. Ça dépend. Remember, ça me plaît is I like it, so that wouldn't work there. And how about this one? J'ai trouvé ce tableau dans une brocante. I found this painting in a brocante. Which expression fits? Ça me plaît. Ça me plaît. I like it. Ça me plaît. Hopefully you found today's lesson useful, and if you would like to, there is a free PDF you can download just by clicking in the link in the description below this video. See you next week. Au revoir.